Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how you can remove password of iPad is disabled. So first of all you need to connect it with computer and download 3U tool in computer. The link is in description, you can download it from there. First of all we need to power off our iPad and just power it off. Now plug USB cable and press home button continuously until it gets into the recovery mode. As you can see, iPad is in recovery mode now, so you can see there in the computer there is the software name is 3U tool. You can download it from the link in the description. So I just make it a little bit zoom, and here you can see now you need to click on the flash button, and here you need to download the iOS firmware first. Then I have already downloaded it, so then we need to click on the quick flash option at the bottom. Here quick flash, don't use retain user data, just click on the quick flash button, and after that you need to click on the flash, click OK flash. Now our iPad will going to flash, and it will erase all user data like photo, videos and documents. So keep it in your mind, and you need to have Apple ID and password. If your iPad is bound with Apple ID and password, you need to have it must. So you can see process is working now, and it can take a few minutes depend on your computer and internet speed. So just wait for to finish the process, then I will come back to you. As you can see, our iPad is started up successfully. We just need to set up it. There are two methods to activate your iPad. First, you can activate it from 3U tool, and otherwise you can connect your Wi-Fi and click on the next step, then it will activate automatically. So I just activate it from 3U tool, and you can see it's just going to activate. And if your iPad is bound with Apple ID and password, then it will ask for the Apple ID and password. You need to give your Apple ID, and then this will allow you to go in the menu. So I just already activated it and connect here Wi-Fi, and this will let you go to in the menu. So hopefully you understand the process. You can use this method on any iPhone or iPad. This will work for both devices. So as you can see, just going to activate my iPad. Now you just need to follow the instruction on your iPad screen and click on the next, and this will let you go in the menu. Now you can see iPad is successfully unlocked and you can use it. So hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.